Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better. From my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, we're going to be making you guys a Copycat steak and shake chili. This is my recipe. I did a little research on it, but I'm quite sure it's going to taste close to steak and shake, but it's not going to be all the way steak and shake, but it's going to be chili. You best believe that. Alright, without further ado, what we're going to start with, we need some ground beef right here. This is 80-20 right here. That's 2 pounds. We'll need some French onion soup right here. We got 2 cans because I'm making a lot of chili because my kids run through it pretty quick. This is a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. I have 4 cans of light kidney beans. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have some cocoa. But guys, you definitely want to get some cocoa, okay? You gotta have some cocoa in there. We have some salt. This pink sea salt, Himalaya. That's right, we got turmeric. Okay? That's what we got over here. So we need that. We have some cumin right here, some ground cumin. We have some black pepper. We have some, this is Hungarian paprika. You can use any type of paprika. This is the only one I have. This right here is some allspice right here. This is some cayenne pepper right here, if I can turn it around here. You want to need some starch, okay? Yes, 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 I know. You're going to need some chili powder, okay? Or chili seasoning, whatever you want to claim it to be. Now you need some garlic, granulated. Now their recipe did not call for granulated onion, but I'm going to put a little bit of this in mine, okay? Trust me, I made this before, but I didn't use, I think only thing I didn't use was like this, the starch, the turmeric, the allspice, and the cayenne, and that's about it. That's the only thing I didn't use. Alright, last but not least, you're gonna need some cola. This is Pepsi, alright? This is like a 16-ounce right here. So when I look up somebody else, no, actually this is a 20-ounce, so I'm going to have to cut that by 4 ounces. So we're going to need 2 cups of that, so I might have to go ahead and measure that one. I have some spoons right here, so you guys can see what I'm doing. Teaspoon and tablespoon. And right here is my hand mixer right here, because I'm about to break up this. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with that first. Put that in this mixing thing. So we're just going to put that up in there. We're going to need some water too as well, guys. Probably like 2 cups of water. So I did see a lot of people make this and they did not use water. But when I looked on the can, first thing it says on there is water and then beef. So I don't know what they was doing with that, but hey, you need some water. You gotta hydrate. Cause this stuff will burn up. They want you to cook it for like, I don't know, about 2 hours or something. I'm like, really? This stuff gonna burn up, man. You ain't doing something right. So anyway, I'm just gonna come in here and mix this up, break this down. You can use a blender as well, keeping it real. All right. All right. That's done. That's that right here. French onion. Alright, let's get started on this chili. Steak and shake chili. Alright, so what we're going to do is take this meat And they already made it like thick pieces. It's like made for chili. So I'm just gonna break this up a little bit here. All right, this is your ground beef in there. See how that looks? All right, we're gonna come in here with this garlic. We're gonna come with a tablespoon of this. About a tablespoon. A heaping tablespoon. All right, chili. We're gonna come in here with like 3 tablespoons of that. Won't be chili, but we don't have the chili seasoning, right? All right, that cumin. We're gonna come in here with like a tablespoon of that. All right, just like that. A tablespoon of that. All right, this is the granulated onion. Come with a tablespoon of that. All right, black pepper. We're gonna come with a tablespoon of that. All right, paprika. We're gonna go with a teaspoon of the paprika. So that's a teaspoon of that. Paprika. All right. Salt. 1 teaspoon. So it's going to be pretty much a tablespoon. All right. Let's come in here with this allspice. A teaspoon of this. See? Just a quarter. Turmeric, quarter of that. Okay. That's it on that. Alright, here's your cayenne pepper. We need a quarter of that. Yep. Quarter of the cayenne pepper. Alright, now this stuff right here, this is the cocoa. A tablespoon of this. Let me put this over here. A tablespoon of the cocoa. All right. We're gonna fry this up just as is. And then when we get done with that, I'll show you what we'll be doing next. I'm gonna take you guys over here in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. So this is what we got here. We're just gonna start incorporating this seasoning. Just like so. You want that meat to be well seasoned, okay? So we're gonna pretty much like brown this up, guys. You ain't gotta do a lot of chopping. So this probably takes about 2 to 3 minutes to brown up. And you're gonna get some at the bottom, but don't worry about that. Put this on medium low. Just let it cook. Put a lid on mine. Let that bad boy cook for about a minute or so. And then I'm gonna stir it, then let it cook again. And then I'm gonna stir it again, and then I'll show you guys what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I stirred it once. Now this calls for some oil. So I'm going to leave the oil in mine. If you don't want the oil in yours, then drain it. Okay, that's how that's looking, okay? Alright, you can drain some of that oil out if you want to, but there's a lot of flavor in there, so I'm not going to drain mine. Alright, I did strain my beans right here. Cleaned them and strained them. You put those in there, 4 cans of those. If you don't want that many beans, then use 2 or 3. We're gonna come in here with our tomato sauce. Stir that in there. And come in here with our soda. I'm going with 2 cups. 1, 2. Okay. Stir that up in there. Talking about some good chili, I ain't gonna lie. I love steak and chili. I eat the chili all the time. Alright. So you guys coming together already. We're gonna take our French onion soup mix. We're gonna put that in there. Here's my water. Yes, I mixed mine in there to get all the debris out of there. But all that other, the white stuff, throw it away. Please throw it away. All right. All right. Looking like steak and shake chili already. But we gotta let this cook for about a good hour and a half. Then I'll taste it after that hour and a half if it needs some more salt, some more pepper or something like that, or whatever is maybe lagging or lacking. I will adjust. So just pay attention, guys. Yep. So we're gonna turn this when it comes to a boil. Make sure you turn it on simmer, so it'll be probably on, yeah, just simmer for about a good hour and a half. See how it's boiling a little bit now? So we're just gonna take that and put it on simmer with the lid off, guys. With the lid off. All right, see you guys in a minute. Hey guys, I almost forgot. Gotta put this cornstarch in there. I did a half a teaspoon cornstarch. I'm just gonna pour that in there. Just like so. I try to utilize all of that flavor. And I did put a sprinkle, just a sprinkle of cinnamon in it, just a bit. And a sprinkle of a little bit more garlic. So you don't want to do too much, because if you do it, because you gotta let this rest. And if you let this rest, all the seasonings are gonna come together. And then you'll be overwhelming your dish, okay? So just take your time and everything will turn out just right. All right, we're gonna go ahead and let this continue to simmer. I got this on 2. This is electric stove, as you well know. So yeah, I got this on 2, and we're just gonna let it go from there for about a good hour. And let me just put it like this. Every 15 minutes you do want to stir this, okay? All right, for real. You got to stir it, because if you don't, it will stick to the bottom. All the seasoning will fall down and stick, and will burn and scorch your food, okay? So make sure you stir it every 15 to 20 minutes, all right? See you guys in a minute. Much love. Okay, guys, I'm back. It's been an hour. Let's stir this up again. I stirred it every 15 minutes. That's how it's looking. You want it kind of thick like this if you're making steak and shake chili. Hold on. Okay, guys. You want it kind of thick like this, all right? It's been an hour. But this is how you make a Copycat steak and shake chili. So we're just gonna go ahead and taste it. Get a little meat and bean. Like so. So you guys, there you go. Go ahead and taste it. Pretty good. I'm not going to add anything else to it because we got to sit here and let this rest and for all the seasoning, to like come together in this chili. Tastes pretty good. Actually, it tastes better than the Steak and Shake. But only thing I wouldn't add, but I add it to mine, but you ain't gotta add it to yours, is that the cinnamon. So yeah, that's what we're looking like. So just cook for an hour, like I said. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn this off. Now just think, if you didn't put water in there, you know how that chili been burnt up. I ain't gonna even lie to you. I don't care how many times you stirred it. All the flavor will hit the bottom and scorched. So I don't know who told him not to put no water in it. So anyway, forget all that. Just make sure you do it to the recipe that I showed you guys, okay? And we're gonna let this rest and I'll dress it up and show you guys what we got. See you guys in a minute. Much love. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm done with this Copycat Steak and Shake chili. Made my way. This it right here. Now I like when I go to Steak and Shake, I always get sports peppers on mine. And I also get Parmesan Romano and some crackers. Alright? So guys, please, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And please, yes sir, hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. And I'm out.